Hi, I'm Victoria Tori Cappan, and you're joining me for Tips for the Equestrian. And this is a part of a series. So right now we are going to be talking about the position of the pelvis and the spine. So when you are in the saddle, you have a force that your body is constantly responding and adapting to. And proprioceptively, it's hard to build the awareness of your body with that outside force. So I highly recommend getting off of your horse, coming to the mat, and tuning in and learning about your position off of the horse so that when you go back into the saddle, you have a better awareness of your body's response to the horse's movement.